How do you disable the reading on iPhone? Let me show you the possible things which you might have in mind. Let's get started. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more similar tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, you can check out the Settings app and go to the Notifications where you can find Announce Notification section. And when this is enabled, like your notifications might be read out loud to you. For example, when you're using the headphones, you might literally hear the content of a message, like it's going to tell you that that person has said this, right? So if you don't want that type of reading, then you can turn it off right here or at least manage it so you are happy with the way it works. But the other way of looking at it is when you go to the accessibility section and part of the read and speak section, you have things like the speak screen, which you might be interested in. And that is a gesture which gets triggered with the swipe down with 2 fingers from the top edge of the display, and any readable text will be read out loud to you. And this might happen that it gets triggered automatically, and some people don't even know that it works that way, so you can turn it off in here, or at least be aware that it could happen and use it whenever you want to. So that is another way to stop or disable the reading on the iPhone. So yeah, that's the second thing which crossed my mind. If we didn't cover the thing, like your specific problem, let me know about it below, but subscribe so you don't miss explanations and tutorials like this, and I'll see you later as well.